Well, a growing number of states, including Indiana, are requiring adult websites to use age verification software.
Indiana's law, which went into effect this summer, requires adult websites to ask for sensitive info like your driver's license, credit card, or even your social security number if you're trying to access their content.
Fox 59 State House reporter Hannah Adamson explains the latest chapter in an ongoing lawsuit to determine whether or not this is constitutional.
As the legal battle to overturn Indiana's age verification law continues, Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita is co-leading a group of 24 states that want to convince the Supreme Court these laws do not violate the First Amendment.
The states contend that they have an important interest in protecting minors from the psychological, emotional, social, neurobiological harms from viewing pornography.
A statement from Rokita regarding a SCOTUS brief he filed last week reads in part, quote, "Not only do states have the authority to prevent pornography websites from providing children with hardcore porn, but they have a responsibility to do so." However, the plaintiffs in Indiana's case, which mostly consist of adult website parent companies, argue the state's law is too broad and therefore unconstitutional.
They argue basically that the states have to come up with a less restrictive means of prohibiting minors from accessing content.
We've got very clear technological solutions that don't require the state government to violate our Constitution.
Chris Daly with the ACLU of Indiana, a group not involved in the lawsuit, says several loopholes could render Indiana's law ineffective.
There is so much adult content on the internet that's completely unblocked by this law.
Daly says the law only applies to U.S.-based adult websites, excluding sites like X, formerly Twitter, which now allows pornographic content. Another loophole, services known as virtual private networks, or VPNs, that allow users to bypass Indiana's age verification requirements.
They allow people to disguise where they're accessing the internet from, and so they're a complete workaround of this law.
The plaintiffs in the Indiana case are asking the courts to pause proceedings until SCOTUS rules on a similar case out of Texas. Madeira says that could take at least until next summer. Reporting from the newsroom, I'm Hannah Adamson.
An Indianapolis